Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now by creating the Meet and generating the link. Do it in Calendar or Meet. Google. Com. Once created, add the conference to the event and set visibility so external guests can use the link. Make sure you check the initial quick access setting. This controls automatic entry for people without invites. If you're on a Workspace account, you may need admin-enabled link sharing. Contact your admin quickly. These first steps get the meeting reachable to all, and they reduce knocks at the door. Once the meeting is live, open host controls to manage how open it really is. You can turn quick access on to let anyone with the link enter instantly, which makes the room open to all, or turn it off if you want a short gatekeeping step. Also toggle presentation and chat permissions so guests can present or only view, depending on the session. These middle controls let you balance openness with safety. Adjust them based on audience size and sensitivity of the content. Finish by distributing the final link through calendar invites, email, or a group message. Confirm attendees can click and join. If people outside your organization still get blocked, make sure Workspace admin settings allow external joining and that the event's visibility is set correctly. If problems persist, have guests clear cache or try an incognito window, and consider regenerating the Meet link and resharing it. One key troubleshooting tip. Check admin external sharing toggles first. Most failures come from org-level restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.